Welcome to Global Markets Radio U.S. Preview. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday, November the 9th, 2010. As we're seeing here, the S&P futures are breaking higher. The last 3 hours, we did have reports out of Europe that the ECB is now buying bonds out of Ireland, Irish bonds, Portuguese bonds, I believe also. That is bullish. That is more printing money. That is basically endorsing Bernanke's policy and obviously should be discussed at some point during the G20. Could be kind of hypocritical for the ECB to join in with the G20 attack on the U.S. when they're doing the same thing the U.S. is, buying more bonds, etc. So the S&P's, in my opinion, breaking out because of this. We see this wedge. We tried to pull back down here, 12, 14, 15 hit. Again, check out my my audio recap every day, globalmarketsradio.com. And you can see this was pretty much the turnaround Tuesday that we had predicted. Eurodollar was a buy on pullback last night. Got down to 38.22. We'll take a look at that. But S&P's gone. Say hello to maybe 12.33 today. And you take a look at the hourly charts, by the way. I'm looking at the hourlies. Oil looks like it stalled a little bit here. Oil, to me, looks more of a very big resistance here. It looks like more of a short for a pullback buy, maybe. But obviously this 85 level, very big, 86 level, very big spot for oil. Gold, gone to the moon. Beautiful uptrend channel, hourly chart you're looking at right now. This looks beautiful to the moon. There's my 1440. You know, you can sort of see the channel. You measure this move again, this breakout move here. We're taking this out, say hello to 1440. I like this line better, 1450. But again, more asset bubble, more printing of dollars, more quantitative easing is net bearish for the dollar. That's the way the market's trading, bullish for the stock market. Dollar yen looks terrible. We are short dollars, people. We were basically long dollars last night in Asia, looking for that turnaround Tuesday. Oh, baby. Commodity currencies leading the way. So dollar index, beautiful reversal point. Didn't even get up past 77.50. Very nice reversal. Again, one of the things I try, you got to be on the lookout for things of that nature. When that news came out, if they're buying bonds, you know the drill, baby. And you look at this Eurodollar daily chart, and we could try and toggle back and forth from the hourly to the daily, but held the 10 exponential. The 30. Held the 30 exponential. Held this even uptrend channel line to the pit. Oh, baby. And now 3 days, Texas three-step. 1, 2, 3. This is actually 4. Reversal day. Continuation, and reversal. But Eurodollar looking very good. Could we pull back? Sure. We going straight up? No. But again, the 10, 20, 30 is the hourly chart. Nicely crossing now. I like this push higher. Once again, we held this whole line. Held the line. And I think that actually it even held better. Didn't even get to that point. Didn't make it. But, can we pull back halfway? Sure. Can we pull back down to 139? Sure, 139.20, but I think we're now breaking out. I think we certainly head up to 140.50 now. Or at least in this zone, 140 and change. Eurodollar looking very good. Dollar yen, hourly chart, not looking very good. We are short. Breaking down. This entire support level is now giving way. And again, remember we said under this 50 level, bye-bye. And we're taking out a 2-day low here. Should we take out 40? Oh, boy. And again, like I've been saying the last couple of days, the Japanese, and look at the daily, Japanese, when they came out and said there are benefits to a stronger yen, where the hell did that come from? So right there, that's them saying we might not be able to stop it, the yen appreciation. So we look here. Let me just get rid of this. And we see here we are breaking this whole support level. Should this 50 level give way? Oh, boy. Dollar yen, we could be talking 70.50 finally, 79.50. Absolutely. No real numbers coming out of the U.S. London did have numbers a little bit disappointing. But again, cable. Hammer time. Hammer time. Oh, baby. Again, BOP it. Texas three-step. 1, 2, 3. Bang. Should we go for 62? Gone like the wind. Euro sterling very weak last night in Asia. Oh, baby. We'll take it. But looking at this daily chart cable, we take our previous day high to the moon. Hourly chart. Trying to give you a little bit more, baby. Hourly chart heading right up at resistance right here. Can we pull back? Absolutely. 61.50. Nice pullback buy, but cable couldn't take out previous day low. Last night, I'm sorry. Held last night. And again, rallying as this whole printing more money, dollar, devaluation once again back in the fray. Oh, baby. But certainly double bottom there. Pullback Fibonacci, maybe even down to 160, 120. But it still looks like a long. Dollar Swiss. Oh, baby. SOS, selling strength. Any bounce up to here, 96.50. I think we're going to head back down again. 95.50, but still cannot break out. Dollar Swiss. Well, we did continue a little bit. And again, we look at the daily. Let me see. We couldn't even get up to 397. Outside candle. Looks very weak. Watch that Euro Swiss for any real movement. If Euro Swiss starts to rally, this dollar Swiss is going to hang in there. Aussie dollar, as of right now, it's going to be a closing high. Outside bar, daily chart, took out previous day lows by a couple of pips. Going to take it out, and are we going to explode? Well, with the S&Ps acting the way they are and gold acting the way they are, you would think the Aussie is gone. New Zealand, I love it. Dollar Canada, love it. To the downside, dollar Canada. We'll look at that. But the hourly chart, flag, I mean, we are at a monster breakout point. Should we take out 101.75? We could be gone to 103. Say hello to 104. Oh, baby. Dollar Canada. Look at this dollar Canada here. Again, right at double par again. Could we bounce? Yeah, I mean, listen, we could certainly bounce. Right now it's 717. Could we bounce into the 8 o'clock candle, maybe bounce a little bit more and then roll back over? Absolutely. But I think that the S&Ps are going to try and make a run, and I think you got to play it this way. I mean, sure, we could bounce, but looking at this daily chart, dollar Canada, it's going to crack. We take this out. Oh, my goodness. Say goodbye to Hollywood. And people, 3 months. Come on. 3-month deal. I don't know what some of you are waiting for. We're going with it, baby. Look at that, New Zealand. You got to love it. BOP it. And again, if you want to see my trade recommendations, they'll be posted today around 4 o'clock. And again, these are the same trade recommendations I email out at 5:15 every day for the night ahead. You're seeing it delayed. So look for that. But again, you can always listen to my recap, and that's going to get the audio recap, and that's going to give you my buys for the night ahead. So look at this New Zealand dollar again. Goldman Sachs 88 target. Nice hammer. Didn't hit the 10 exponential, but what spots? Looking very good. Euro sterling. Yes, it is hammering. Yes, I'm a little bit nervous. I am short this right here. But last night covered some, excuse me, in Asia, but put it back out around here, a little lower. I'm not convinced yet. We'll see. This could be a nice hammer. This baby could start to have a nice pop. London numbers were not very good. But again, I still like Euro Canada. Bounced off. 4-day low. Hammer time. I'm a little nervous. Again, I might want to cover this thing. If dollar Canada doesn't melt and the Euro sterling continues to rally, this baby might give us trouble. So, I'm going to be looking to take some off here into this 139 if we retest again. Hourly chart on this one. I'm a little bit nervous on this. Trying to push higher. The Euro trying to push higher. Again, good news out of the ECB. This Euro, this bias towards the Euro, I'm a little nervous about it. I'd rather be short USD. S&Ps to the moon. Aussie to the moon. Commodity currencies to the moon. Andrew Spanton. Info at globalfxradio.com. Who loves you, baby? Good luck trading.